blow dryer for Christmas. We about to do a review. Helix tools, hot tools, turbo. I wish they said Timo. Timo got a new blow dryer out. I want it so bad, but let's see what this one does. So you have the instructions, hot tools, Helix blow dryer. I want the Timo still in the bag. So nice size. It's not heavyweight, which is good for me because my arm crazy. And then we have comb attachments. And what is this? What is this? Like a scalp massager or something? And then just doing it. So that's what's in the box. Let's see what she does.
From where he gets dropped off at, and I'm gonna go get this head done because I look a hot mess. When you look good, you.
Oh, very good blow dry. The only thing I did not like was the size or the length of the nozzle because it's kind of hard to grip when you have thicker hair and pull it through. I also had another attachment. I don't know what this is called, but it comes with 2 attachments. So that's my review, guys.